Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a spittor from Ben 10. If you must know, spittor is one of the aliens from the future that Ben traveled to. And if you must know, a spittor was not seen in any other show rather than Ben 10,000, which should have came out a while ago. If you ask me, spittor should have been one of Ben's aliens to be unlocked, but be it. Spittor was not seen in any other of the episodes of Ben 10 except that episode and the other one where Ben had a son. Boy, what was that a nice guy. Okay, here's his teeth. Drawing him is quite easy. You just gotta look forward into the future. Not no. Damn, okay, so here's his arm. Okay, glad that's done. Finally, you just gotta draw his last arm. If you must know, Spittor's power is to spit acid out of his mouth. And wow, and done. That is how you draw Spittor. Pretty easy, don't you think, kids? I know he doesn't look like much, but you get the point. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of alien I'll draw you guys next. Well, goodbye for now.